My name is Dewi James Francis. I like to play on my Xbox a lot. I like to play with my dogs, and yeah, that's it really.
I got in touch with the service because things between me and Dewi had become quite hostile on a daily basis, 24/7, and I was really struggling, didn't know where to go. I heard about the service, so I contacted them, and here we are.
Well, I felt like quite disconnected from my mum, and like that really didn't like make this house feel like it was a home. So having the help really helped improve like my relationship with my mum and with the rest of my family as well.
Working with Helen was a great support for me and for Dewi. She worked with us individually but both together, and she signposted other services that could be beneficial. We've started some of them already, and positive future looks ahead. If you need support, then I recommend that you contact the service because they've been a great help.